Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the given problem of UPSI QIQ question. Question is given here. Find the next number in the series. Here we have to find the given series and we have to find the value of question mark in the given series. And the option is given. Let's solve the problem here. We have to solving first question here. This is 525, comma 373, comma 251, comma 159 and comma 97, and we have to find the value of in place of question mark. Here option is given here A, B, C, D. So here we have to see that the given series in the decreasing order. So we have to first here we have to take a difference between them. 525 minus 373, we get here we have to 525 minus 373, we get here 152. Similarly, we have to also take a difference from here. 373 minus of 251, we get here 122. And from here we can also take, we get here 251 minus of 159, we get here 2, and this is 92. Similarly, we can also take a difference from here. 159 minus of 97, we get here 62. And we can also take a difference from here. And further we have to solving here. Again we have to taking difference. 152 minus of 122, we get here 30. Difference is here 30. And here is also 122 minus of 92, we get here also difference 30. Similarly, here also 30. So follow the trend here. In the second difference, we get here equal parts in equal 30 difference. So we have to write here also 30 and 30. And when we have to the difference between this part is 30, then 62, we have to adding here 62 once again. We have to get 62 when we have to adding 30, 32. Once again, 159 minus of 159 minus of 97, we get here 62. So here we have to get here 30, 32 here, 32. Then we have to get 62 here. So from here we can also once again 97 minus of 32. 97 minus of 32, we get here 65. In the place of question mark, we get here 65. So question first, the answer is 65. So option A is the correct answer. Similarly, we have to solve the second. Here the second series is given here. 8100, 2700 and 450, and in the last here is question mark. So from here this series behind the logic is 8100 divided by 3, we get here 3, 27 3s are 81. So once again 3 2 is 6 and 3 7 are 21. We get here when we have to divide with 3, we get the second series. Similarly, we have to divide 2700 with 6. 6, we get here 6 4s are 24 and 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. We get here the third, and similarly we have to divide 450 with 9. we get here 9 5 ja 45, we get here 50. In place of question mark, we get here 50. And in the option, here in the option B is the correct answer. And similarly, we have to solving the third question here. We have to solving the third question here. This is series is 17, 25, and here is 52 and 116, 241, and this is 457, and we have to get the question mark here. First we have to take a difference here. The difference between 70 to 25 is 8. Here 25 to 52, here difference is 27, and here 52 to 116, the difference is 116 minus of 52, we get here 4. This is 64. Similarly, we have to take a difference between 241 to 116. Again, 6, 5, and this is 3, 2, 125. Similarly, we take a difference here. 457 minus 241, we get here 6, 1, 2. Here is 216, and here we have to take a difference of question mark here. So we have to see the sequences here. When we have to take a cube of 2, we get here 8. Similarly, we have to get cube of 3, we get here second part. Here we take a cube of 4, we get here 64, and we have to taking a cube of 5, we get here 125. Similarly, we have to take a cube of 6, we get here 260, and we have to get the cube of 7, we get here 7 7 ja 49, and 49 7 ja 343. So we have to write here 343. 343, the difference is here. And once again we have to minus out 457 minus of 343. Once again we have to add 457, we get here 7 plus 3 is 10, 5 plus 4 is 9, 10, and 4 plus 3 is 7 to 8. Here in the question mark we get here 800. So option B is the correct answer. Similarly, we have to solving here the fourth question here. We have to solving fourth question. Series is given 6, 7, 16, 51, 208, and in the question mark here. We have to see that we get here once again. Three twos are 6 plus of 1. We get here 7. Similarly, 7 twos are 14 plus of 2. We get here 16. And in the last we get here 16 twos are 32 plus of 3. We have to not getting 51. So we have to once again we have to using the another method here. 6 to 7 we get here. Two cube minus of 1. Cube of 2 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. And 3 cube minus of 3. We have to using another method for this question. Further we have to solving the fourth question here. Fifth question, the logic behind this fifth question is here is alphabetical or alphabet is also present and numerical value is also present. So we have to get here the value of A is 1 in the alphabetical order. We get here A is 36 and here is F in the 6th position. Here F in the 6th position and here is 41. Similarly here K is in 11th position and here is 46 and P is in 16th position. So we have to get here. So we have to taking this difference here. When we have to 36 to 41, the difference is 5. And A2, we have to get F, we get here also difference of 5. Similarly here, when we have to 41 to take 46, also increasing the difference of 5. And F2K, we are also here is 5. So in the last, we have to taking here, we have to add P plus 5 and 51 plus 5. Then we have to get P, Q, R, S, T, U. We get here U and 51 plus of 5 we get here 56. So we have to get the answer U 56. Option D is the correct answer. Thank you class and thank you for watching.